Remove all of the items from the box. Open the bags with the fresh herb and the Confied baby tomatoes and place them into separate containers. Place the sorghum grain and the clear cornstalk into a saucepan. Place the bag of broccolini vegetable into a pot of gently simmering water. Place the sorghum risotto over medium-high heat until the stock simmers. Mix regularly to make sure the risotto doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Let the risotto boil for 1 minute or until half of the cornstalk is gone. Then add the green butter to the risotto and mix thoroughly, allowing the sorghum to continue cooking. Once the risotto has a nice creamy consistency, season it with salt and pepper to taste and remove it from the fire. Remove the broccolini from the simmering water and open the bag. Place the risotto in a warm, preheated bowl. Arrange the broccolini nicely on top of the risotto. Place the cherry tomatoes around the risotto and optionally pour some of the olive oil from the tomatoes onto the risotto. Garnish a risotto with a crispy sorghum and the sprig of fresh herb, and serve immediately.